Now the first thing that you can do is try to check if your internet connection is stable. As you all know, Spotify music cannot be played unless you are connected to a internet connection. Whether you're using a Wi-Fi or a cellular data, make sure either of them are connected and have a strong connection. Now the second thing that you can do is you can simply increase the sound of your phone, like so. Now this has happened many times to me where I have left the Spotify song playing and I didn't realize because the sound on my phone was set at low. This could be also your issue, so make sure you increase your volume and try to see if it fixes that problem. Now after you do both of these steps, the third thing that you can do is you can try to update the app of Spotify. Many times bugs or glitches causes these issues, so you can update your Spotify app and that should pretty much fix that problem. And now the last thing that you can try out is you can try to uninstall the app of Spotify and then again install it and log into your account. Sometimes simple solutions like these can also work wonders for simple problems that you're facing. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll be back with more.